Childhood is considered the happiest part of life, as it is supposed to be, free of responsibilities and pressures. Get up, rush to school, take a few tastes, practice for a choir concert, stay after school for sports, go to guitar lesson, squeeze in homework between dinner and bedtime, sleep, wake up and repeat. Many kids these days have non-stop schedules like this. The hope, usually for us as parents, is that hard work before, during and after school will pay off in the long run. And as parents, it is our responsibility to make sure our children achieve a healthy balance. Here are some tips for you to follow. Don't overload kids' schedule. They need free time too. There is a lot of pressure on you to make sure your child is getting everything they need. Are they having too much screen time? Eating enough veggies? Do they need a math tutor? Are dance lessons a good idea? It's tempting to fill their schedules with exciting activities, but taking on too much is a common mistake. Kids require frequent bursts of unorganized free time to assist in their development. Little people who engage in regular free play are likely to be more creative, confident, and calm. Follow a healthy lifestyle. A healthy lifestyle plays a very important role in keeping the mind and body healthy, and thus achieving success. Help your child draw up a wellness plan by teaching them to exercise, sleep regularly, eat healthy, and set aside time for friends and family. Set realistic expectations for your child. Sometimes we get overexcited if our children show talent in an activity. It's essential not to burden children with expectations. If they are playing sports or an instrument and they are good at it, great! But don't set that expectation that they have to work to achieve incredible things. The added pressure and burden can take away the relaxation and stress reduction. It's better to encourage them to do what they truly enjoy. Also, try to avoid perfectionism. If expectations are too high, children might feel stuck on a subject or afraid to make mistakes. Instead, it's better to embrace errors and take time to learn from them. Time management. Managing time is the key to success in every sphere of life. Teaching your child time management skills can help them understand and concentrate on what is most important. Making a daily or weekly to-do list, setting goals and deadlines for school projects, prioritizing work and breaking large tasks into smaller components are all part of time management skills. By helping your child balance schoolwork and activities with daily free time, you give their minds the opportunity to grow and learn in a healthy way. Teaching your child ways to integrate school and personal life can go a long way in helping them feel that childhood is the best part of their life. I hope you like this video. Share it with your friends and let's deliver the message of school life balance to more parents.